Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to export on Affinity Designer. Okay, now here as you can see I have these two objects, this object right here and the photo itself. Now in order to export it, you want to go and click on the file menu, then go and click on export, then click on export right here. And here you can choose the type of the format of the file. Here you have PNG, JPEG, GIF, and PSD if you want to export it for a Photoshop folder, for example. Now, after that, here on the right side, now simply click on export, then choose where do you want to export your file. And here I have it, just like so. Now, let's say that you want to export it as a PNG. You'll have to select the two objects like so, then go to File, then go to export. And if you want to export the hidden layers, you can simply toggle this off. And if you do not want to export the hidden layers, simply click on this option, toggle it on if you need to do so. And here it will show you a preview showing what you will export. Now here you have the area. You can simply click on selection only in order to export it as a PNG like so. Or if you do not want to export as a PNG, click on selection area, not selection only. As you can see, when I click on selection area, it will not export it as a PNG. And after that, click on export. I'll export it as a PNG first. I'm going to click on export, choose the where that you want to export the folder, and you will find your folder where do you want to export it. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.